Hey, Brayden.
Hurry into Lowe's this weekend and receive a gift card anywhere from $30 up to $1,000 when you make a major appliance
Hi,
purchase over
Brayden.
$300.